All right, guys, what's up? It is 12:30 p.m. Eastern, so heading into the afternoon here on Friday. Just wanted to do a little bit of analysis here with you as I was eyeing these charts for myself. As you can see, the daily analysis today for the Nasdaq was absolutely spot on for Bitcoin as well. This was my Nasdaq call. I like the support level right in here, and it's just been a banger day. So hope you guys were able to take advantage of that. I actually tried to jump on board. That's why I look so tired right now. I've been up late, and oftentimes I'll get some pretty good trades in the Asia session before bed, maybe around 2 a.m. here in Costa Rica. But last night it didn't work out for me, even though my analysis was spot on, guys. This is what happens sometimes. You can be really good at seeing what's happening and still get unlucky or just make a bad decision, not capitalize. So what happened to me was that I saw a squeezing here. So I went in on my XFA where I made 5,900 bucks the other day. I was up a little bit and then bang, this thing just corrected for like 100 points, right out of nowhere. And then it, resumed its move back up. Funny enough, it went, straight back down to a nice support level there at 19.4. But guys, these are the kind of things that can happen. You're going to take losses and you can't let it throw you off. You got to manage your risk. I lost 1,500 bucks. That's fine. I made, $6,000 yesterday. So if I can make, big winners like that and then manage my risk, that's part of the game. So I want to share this with you guys just so you see that, like, even when you're a professional trader, you're making a living off of this, a nice living. It doesn't mean you're just crushing it every day like all the gurus on Instagram or whatever, like Lamborghinis and never have a bad day and all this kind of crap. That's not true. It happens all the time, and that's what's going to make you a good trader, is to be realistic about that. All right, so let's talk about what I'm seeing here live in real time. Should we get the drawing tools out? I think we should. Give me a sec. All righty. We've got the drawing tools ready to rock. Fantastic. So you can see here that this is the 50,000 volume chart for the NASDAQ, right? And, we've been grinding up, grinding. There's a nice pullback right there to the congestion support level. That's what you would have been looking for during the day. I guarantee you, had we been trading together during the New York Open in the live trading room, we would have nailed that to the wall and had a very nice winner there. So even though it didn't come back to our level because we already went there overnight and just started ripping, these are the kinds of setups you can get on the intraday charts when you're following my intraday system and strategies, right? So don't worry that if you missed the level, like you missed out. No, there's plenty of good opportunities when we can see we're in line with the market, which today is long, right? So right now, heading into the afternoon, what am I looking for? Well, if we get any kind of a meaningful correction back down, I'm going to buy that up. Right here is probably not a bad spot, right? You've got the 10,000 volume chart trending to the downside here, and you got a nice pattern, and you're right into this key support level. So we could push up out of this for sure, but it's not something I would take right here, right now, because we're so overextended. Now, that doesn't mean we're not going to pull back and, rip another 200 points. We might do that, but I like to look for really key spots, and I'm okay if, like right here, I see some support for sure, and it might go up. I'm okay watching this going, hey, look, if it goes up without me, no big deal. I'm good with that. I don't care. I'm waiting for my trades, right? So, these are the kind of things we're going to look at in the live trading room. And another key aspect. So Bitcoin's ripping higher like we thought. Let's go ahead and look at the 10-year note here and see what this is doing, because this is what we're going to do when we're analyzing live in real time. We're going to be looking at all these different markets to see what they're doing, and that's going to give us an idea of what we think is going to happen next on the NASDAQ. That'll be our primary trading market for the live trading room, because I love the NASDAQ and I'm able to read it so well with using all the other markets and all that. Some days we will trade gold, crude oil, or, platinum or whatever. We will trade those markets when they have really good setups. But by and large, the NASDAQ will be our market of choice. So here you can see bonds doing exactly what I forecast in last night's analysis video. We're under pressure. I said right in there, I said that was the resistance level that I'd be looking for. And sure enough, we're under pressure on bonds. So that's boding well for stocks. A little bit of risk on. Bitcoin's up, right? So when you see all these things, it can give you more confidence to buy the dips on the NASDAQ, right? Super, super important. So right now, I'd be looking for, let's see. The thing is, you're going to have we're short squeezing today for sure, right? but you probably have some longs maybe trapped up in here. And now we're at the value area high trying to roll over a little bit. So I would want to see, a correction down into this 19,560 level. Like that is the spot where I would be looking to get long here because that would give me enough room back up here, to make 100 points, 150 points, something like that. And if it doesn't go there, it doesn't go there. These are the types of trades we're going to be looking for in the live day trading room. So, looking here, for example, I was asleep. I was not watching this. I was up late trading Asia, and I'm up late, working on a lot of the company structure, the course, doing these things. Why am I up so late? Because I have a 5-year-old daughter and a pregnant wife, and during the day, right now, there's a lot to prepare for the upcoming birth, and all these different things. So I'm doing what I can throughout the night and kind of burning the candle at both ends. I'm pretty tired, but hey, the show must go on. That's why I keep saying I can't wait to get all this stuff, organized. We're interviewing a midwife today for my wife's birth. We're probably gonna have a home birth. So we get that squared away, get all the course finished, get all the company stuff set up. It's a lot that goes into it behind the scenes, guys. You got to have like, lawyers looking at stuff, and you got to set up, the indicators for Sierra charts and trading view, and you got to have a programmer doing stuff. There's all these things that like, my mind is, so I'm trying to do what trading I can right now. And I'm doing okay. I'm still making money, but I'm certainly not printing the way that I've been known to the last several months. And that's because I simply don't have the time when I'm doing all these other things. So that's why I personally can't wait to have all this stuff done and just get back to the live trading room and share it with you guys and teach you guys and start making money every day. So there you go. As you can see, speak of the devil, nice rip off that support level. You can see my dots. They're there before that happens, right? And I'm going to call this out in the live trading room, guys, because this is not going to be about, everybody waiting. When does Andy take a trade? You're going to see when I take the trades, right? But it's not about that. This is like, okay, there's a nice support level there. This could definitely bounce. I'm not going to take it. I'm waiting for a bigger correction, but that's just the way I trade. That doesn't mean that that's right for you, right? For those of you who look for smaller moves, you could have just gotten 30, 40 points out of this. And in the live trading room, I'll call that out and say, there is some support here, guys. So if you're feeling, if it feels good to you and you're feeling saucy, do what you got to do, right? So this is the way it's going to operate. You're going to watch me trading for sure. But I'm going to be calling stuff out all day. And generally, I'm there to teach you how to read the charts, teach you how to trade, teach you how to stay calm, patient, disciplined, not be on the wrong side of the market, not get into trouble with revenge trading, over trading, all that kind of stuff. I'm there in the live. It's like you're having a personal mentor sit there and trade with you, right? So for all of you in the live trading room, that's what it's going to be. And it's going to be a massive, massive benefit to your trading. And I'm already getting, comments on YouTube and private emails, and in the Discord, people are talking about this, that just how much it's helped people's trading the last several weeks since they found the channel and they're watching the end of day analysis and they're able to kind of pick their levels based on the analysis and stay on the right side of the market. It's helping them to not make bad decisions and overtrade and get FOMO and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, I'm really stoked to have you guys here. And just wanted to share this little bit of analysis with you because this is, how we're going to be running the live trading room. And I really can't wait. I'm super excited. I'm waiting for a good pullback now. Question is, am I going to go surfing? I haven't been surfing in about 5 days, which is killing me because I've been too busy, but I think I need to go surfing, guys. So I'm going to go ahead and just close this video. I'll upload it. I can't talk. I'll upload it on YouTube for you guys so you can just get a taste of this. And then later on today, of course, it's Friday. I will not do the end of day analysis right now because we have Saturday, Sunday. So I'll be back on Sunday with the week ahead analysis video. And then we'll just keep rocking and rolling every single day. And I wish you guys all a great weekend. I just wanted to get this out and say hi and, show you a little bit about how this is going to work. Yeah, and guys, like your excitement and motivation is getting me super pumped. I'm super excited. I just can't wait to do this. And I can't wait to show you guys like how well this stuff works during the day. Now, that doesn't mean we don't take losses. We do. We just manage our risk really well. And we've got a great system in Vol Pro Edge that will keep you on the right side of the market, the majority of the time. And just eliminating, see guys, successful trading is about eliminating your dumb decisions and your bad trades. If you can just get those out of the way and you take normal losses and normal wins, you will make money and you will be consistent. And that's what I can't wait to show you guys live in the trading room. I've already shown you with my prop results and everything else. I'm showing you with my end of day analysis, but there's going to be nothing like the live room. And so far, based on the responses, I know I'm rambling, I got to go, but based on the trader survey at volproedge.com, we've had a lot of people take that survey, guys. If you haven't taken that survey, go to volproedge.com, join the wait list, take the survey. It helps me understand you guys. As an example, most people in that survey, as of now, do not want like a tiered package. We say, okay, for a small amount, you can get, the indicators and the charts. For a little more, you can get that plus super detailed teaching end of day analysis. And for a bit more, you can get the live trading room. People don't want that. People say, hey, look, I want all this as the package, and the live trading room is definitely the most important thing that you're going to be able to offer me. And so please make it one package. So that's probably what we're going to do, because that's based on your guys' feedback. So, these answers you guys are giving me on the survey at the waitlist at volproedge.com is really, really helpful. And I really appreciate it, because it's helping me design things the way that you want them, which is the point, right? All right, so that's it. And if you haven't joined Discord, link in the description below, link to volproedge.com in the description below. And yeah, you can comment and share and like and all that good stuff. I really appreciate it. It helps the channel a lot. I really enjoy engaging with you guys. Trading can be lonely otherwise. So the social aspect of this is a lot of fun for me. And I really appreciate having you guys here. All right, have a good weekend, you guys. And let's keep going.